So, ito po yung ating bagong DepEd Order number 2, series of 2024, as of January 26, kahapon lang po yan. So, immediate removal of administrative tasks of public school teachers. Ano po? So, ito yung bagong inilabas ng ating pong sekretary na pinuutusan po from division of from regional office, from the central office down to schools to follow this DepEd order na tanggalin yung mga admin tasks of the school teachers. So ito po yung DepEd order. So gusto niyo makita, download niyo na lamang po yung DepEd order natin sa deped.gov.ph. Ayan po, pirmado po ni Secretary Sara Z. Duterte. So, ito po yung nilalaman niya. Enclosure. So, ito yung rationale. Scope. Definition of terms. Administrative tasks refer to tasks related to the effective and efficient operation of the school or programs, project services which are not directly related to teaching and academic learning. So, these shall be performed by school heads and non-teaching personnel. So, yun po ang tinatawag na admin task, administrative task. All the programs or operation of the school's project and services which are not directly related to teaching and academic learning. So, non-teaching personnel refer to those who occupying non-teaching position, whose primary duties and responsibility is to contribute to the delivery of basic education services and achievement of agency's outcome, but neither involve directly nor directly support the actual conduct of teaching and delivery instructions. So, school heads refer to a person responsible for administrative and instructional supervision of the school or cluster of schools as provided for RA number 9155 for the purpose of this policy. A duly designated teacher in charge is considered as a school head. So, hindi naman po pala tatanggalin sa mga school head yung mga teacher in charge kasi kailangan talagang merong school head. So, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, parang sinasabi dito na yung kailangan ba less or wala yung pagtuturo. Pero hindi ko po alam. Alamin natin yung mga pwedeng mangyari. Kasi sabi dito, ang teacher in charge or TIC is considered as a school head. Teacher refer to those occupying teaching position. Alam natin yan. So, ito po yung admin task na kailangan tanggalin. Personnel administration. So, property and physical facilities, custodianship. O, tatanggalin na po ito sa teacher kasi meron na dapat ang school, merong AO. Yung AO, siya po yung magiging property custodian. Ano po? Kung meron na kayong AO, siya po ang property custodian ninyo. Financial management, yung mga disbursing. Tama ba? Disbursing. So, mga teacher, hindi na po pwedeng maging disbursing. General administrative support. And records management. Yan. Yung mga records. Program management as such as feeding. So, tatanggalin na po. And the school DRM. So, ito pong school DRM, matagal ko na po itong hindi nagugustuhan. Kasi, yung school DRM, dapat barangay or yung mga expert talaga yung gumagawa ng plan for the survival or any first aid or any gagawin natin para kung sakaling may lindol or sakuna. Ang nagpaplano dapat hindi ang school kasi yung teacher nag-training yan, nag-aral yan para po magturo, hindi po para mag-plan ng ganun. Kasi meron mga iba-iba naman tayong linya, kaya mas maganda na tanggalin ito sa teacher kasi baka nung maglindol mas nauna pang dapat tulungan yung teacher, hindi yung bata. So, to augment the non-teaching personnel requirements of the school, the following measure may be implemented. So, may mga gagawin na po ang division office. Ayan, sa kanilang mga gagawin para matanggal ang mga admin tasks sa teacher. Baka bigyan tayo ng mga item para po sa mga non-teaching personnel. Nawa, magkaroon po. And dito sa aming division, meron pong meron na pong mga item about sa PDO, Person Development Officer, at meron na rin EO na nag-cater sila o nagkakaroon sila ngayon ng ranking or mga ginagawa para magkaroon ng mga ganito sa school. Nawa yung bawat school talaga ay mayroong mabigyan, hindi lang yung mga clustered para hindi naman mahirapan yung mga teacher. So yun lang po, maraming salamat.